You see? Dominican Republic right now is a bigger country in a natural coconut oil. University, United States, England, they got the proof. Natural coconut oil is good for a lot of problems. I recommend it. You drink every month, 3 days straight. Teaspoon coconut oil is the best natural product to prevent colon cancer, memory, Alzheimer. What did I say before? You and me, we need a gallon. One gallon. Then memory, Alzheimer, and diabetic people. If you know somebody diabetic, natural coconut oil is one of the most important natural products we recommend. For kidney stone problem, memory, and diabetic people. Yeah, later. Guys, natural coconut oil is good for a lot of problems. Please, would you put it there? Thank you, sir. The natural coconut oil is good for a lot of problems. It's a university, United States, England, they got the proof about this. You can get more information about this if you go, give me a minute, it's a hard word for me. Google. How you say? Google. Okay, that place, yeah. You're right. Natural coconut oil and health. Then you can find many ways to use the coconut oil. Like we recommended here, natural doctor here, people countryside, every month, 3 days straight. Teaspoon coconut oil is the best natural product to prevent colon cancer, memory, Alzheimer, diabetic people, for your skin, lady, what is it? Right here. Yeah. You give me the bottle? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, you are my assistant now. Okay.
No problem.
Guys, here we go. Look at this. In here, 8 ounces. How many coconut you need? 25, 30 coconuts to make this. Then I will show you here now how they made this. But now you know, people countryside here, when they go into the bush, work, touch the plant, they buy a bug repellent, very expensive, like you buy. Yeah. I saw people before. Yeah. No. In here we put coconut oil. Can you hold this? Yeah. You put coconut oil, mosquitoes don't touch. This one going to your blood and help your skin. And smell good. Then you can get a little bit, pass around, and you put everywhere, mosquitoes don't touch. You can feel it, guys. And you can see going to your blood and help your skin. Then now you know. But let me show you now, guys, everybody. Pay attention. Here we got the coconut. Yeah, go ahead. Let me show you how they make 100% natural coconut oil. Then with the coconut, you grate it, and after that you have to get the coconut milk. With the coconut milk, you boil it long hours. But how you get the coconut milk? Like this way. Look at this. Yeah, like that way. You see? Another reason it's expensive, coconut oil everywhere. Natural coconut oil, because now you know it's very hard to get the coconut milk. Right there, you can see how they boil it, long hour, 10, 12, 15 hours sometimes you boil it. Now you know you need to make 8 ounces, 25, 30 coconuts. There, you have to know that. Later, we show you that. Everybody, this way now. And now I like you try coconut candy. Coconut candy is with coconut, brown sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, and cloves. In the coconut candies. Then everybody stand up, try the coconut candy. Attack! Here we got natural coconut oil. For me, it's the most important product on the table here, because now you know natural coconut oil is good for a lot of problems. Right? Now you know I recommend it. You drink every month, 3 days straight. Teaspoon coconut oil is the best natural product to prevent colon cancer, memory, Alzheimer, and diabetic people. Now you know you can use like lotion too. And this one going to your blood and help your skin and no burn. Then you can use natural coconut oil too. Like for your hair, lady, for your hair. Before you go to the beauty salon, you put coconut oil. You keep it 15-20 minutes. 15-20 minutes, you working in the kitchen, yeah. Then 15-20 minutes, you wash again with the regular product. Beauty salon, more beautiful, more strong your hair. Then many ways to use natural coconut oil. But I recommend that you drink every month, 3 days straight, this coconut oil. They offer this one here. Now you know 25, 30 coconuts in here for $15 each, $15 each.